Welcome students. In this video, we're going to use L'Hopital's rules to come up with the answer to a limit. So the limit in this example is going to be lim as x approaches 1 of ln of x over sine pi x. So notice lim. So notice if we plug in 1 here, we're gonna get ln of 1, which is 0, and then sine of pi times 0, that's sine of 0, and which is 0. So this is undetermined. So we have to use L'Hopital rules. So now again, we take the derivative of the top and bottom. So we do lim as x approaches x approaches 1 of we're going to take the derivative d dx ln of x over d dx of sine pi x, and that is equal to lim as x approaches 1 of 1 over derivative of sine of pi x is that's pi, so I'm going to put a pi here, and derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, so I'm going to put x here, and then cos pi x. Now we can plug in 1 and get our answer. So the lim becomes 1 over pi cos of pi, and what's cos of pi? That's negative 1, so that's equal to 1 over minus pi, 1 over pi, 1 over pi, and then minus. Don't forget the minus. So that should be our answer. Thank you very much.